Hello and welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I am Afraz and today I am going to make a very lovely dessert with yogurt. Yogurt sabhi ke ghar mein hota hai. I personally love it and it should be included in your everyday diet. So what should we make today? मैं आज बनाने वाला हूँ योगर्ट से एक बहुत ही बढ़िया रेसिपी जो कि है डेजर्ट बेक्ड योगर्ट and I'm going to flavor it with some custard apple. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add yogurt. So in goes yogurt. Next, to make it nice and creamy, I'm going to add condensed milk, which is also going to sweeten our recipe. Some fresh cream. And now the star ingredient, which will give the flavor to the yogurt. Custard apple puree. And now you just need to do is just mix it all together nicely. So now this is well combined. Let's strain this. अच्छी तरह से एक बार इसे strain कर लेंगे. So this is done. We have now a nice smooth mixture, and over here I have nice cute little mason jars. So I'm going to bake this yogurt in this cute jars, but few don't have this. You can easily bake them into nice small shot glass, shot cups, or even earthen pots. So now let's pour this mixture. So this is done. Now I'm going to cover this with an aluminium foil. And now it's time to bake them. So let's transfer them onto a baking tray. I'm going to pour some water in the tray so that the steam is generated. So now this is ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 8 to 10 minutes, and then we are going to bring it down to the room temperature and chill in the refrigerator for around an hour. Cool, so this is done, and now the yogurt is perfectly set again, as you can see. And now for some decoration, I have some white chocolate mixed with some edible green color, which I'm going to pipe it out over the rim. I'm going to just put some chocolate chips on top to give a nice custard apple feel. Similarly, I'm going to decorate the rest. So this looks cute, and now finally some edible flowers. So there you have creamy and delicious custard apple baked yogurt. If you like the recipe, do hit like and share. And for more such recipes, do subscribe on Britannia Dessert Carnival.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.